talk with you again because a vision suddenly appeared, casting shadows of what might be this year. And this vision that was planted in my brain, and this vision that was planted in my brain, spoke of rain in the sound of abundance. And as the vision did unfold, things were symbolically foretold. I saw water flowing like a flood, overwhelming everything it touched. For the dams that once had stood had fallen down. For the dams that once had stood had fallen down to the ground amidst the sound of abundance. Then in the naked light I saw kingdoms rise and kingdoms fall, circumstances in the world of men, things that were, that will never be again. Traditions and forms that had stood for many years, traditions and forms that had stood for many years, I saw disappear within the sound of abundance. Lord, I said I need to know, will all I've seen really unfold? What about those who are unaware? Or even those who maybe aren't prepared? And he said it's not yours to know all that will be. He said it's not yours to know all that will be. You just follow me, for there's a sound of abundance. Oh, may we all have ears to hear. May we respond in faith, not fear. Oh, may we have the grace to comprehend. What will be will never be again. For his blessing and his judgment will flow as one. For his blessing and his judgment will flow as one. Until it's done, there's a sound of abundance. There's a sound